Everyone, my name is Ava Vogel, and today I will be showing you guys how to use Vapi, which is an AI agent software program. So, right here, we're in the dashboard of our company account, and you have your assistants, which is basically the people that are going to be answering the phone. And then you have phone numbers, which here's one that I have created. And I'm going to show you how you can do this. So you're going to go to create a phone number, and then you're going to have an area code. So I will show you guys some examples to make it a little bit easier. Okay. Okay, so here are the area codes. Um, and you can kind of choose whatever, and you have to kind of play around with it to make sure that they work and they're activated. So I'm going to go back to the Vapi dashboard, and we can use, let's do 264. Sometimes you have to, it takes trial and error to find a good one. 7. Okay. Okay, so this worked. And then you're gonna have to run this through some sort of website to make sure that it works. So I use mobilefish.com, and that's a really easy one to just you insert the phone number and it'll tell you if it's valid or not. And so once it's activated, we're going to come over here to assistants and we're going to create a new assistant. And you can kind of press any of these. I'm going to do lead qualification specialist, and that will kind of help program the AI agent on what their role is. And then this is where you're going to edit the first message. So we can keep it as Morgan or we can rename, and we can say, we can do my name. And then you can put in a whole system prompt. As you can see, this is the default or example, and um, once you write your own, it will be specific to your company and it can respond to questions that customers will ask. And you can program it as detailed as you need or want. And so then once we go back to the phone number to for inbound, we're going to select the assistant that we want. And then I'm just going to do it for both. So then the assistant, okay. And then the assistant is on the phone number. So when you call, then they'll answer. And we're going to save it. And then you have your phone number. So then we can also go to assistant over here. And if you want to get the link to put onto your website, you're going to go over to widget and there is going to be the embedded code. And then you copy and just insert it into the correct spot on the website.